rock the rap according to a lot of the girls over here. What do you think?
Well, I think he's okay, but he's better in films, as far as I'm
What
concerned.
about his mom? What do you think?
I think I love him every time. Whatever he does, I love him.
And what about the entire show? You know, Karan and
That was very nice. The ensemble was very good. This is the first time I'm seeing, this kind of a show. So for me, it's great.
Some really wearable clothes and extremely funky and very fashion and very Karan.
And who was the hottest? You know, there's so
Shah
many
Rukh
hot-
Khan.
Yeah.
Shah Rukh Khan.
What do you think about Gauri? Her first ramp.
I think Gauri looked outstandingly stunning. She stood out so well with all the boys. She was
Do you
looking
think Karan
fabulous.
can mature into a full-time fashion designer?
I think Karan can do whatever the hell he wants, really.
Lovely, absolutely awesome.
Fantastic.
Just what did you like? Was it everything you expected or more?
Yes, I think it was more, and I think Gauri was fantastic.
Yeah. What about you? Who was your favorite pick?
I love Shah Rukh.
Yeah. Who do you think makes the better show? Shobhita Saif or Shah Rukh? Or Gauri?
Us.
Me.
I really was looking forward to Karan Johar becoming a designer, and I think he did it fantastically.
Yeah.
And I think really it was a very cool show. It showed his style, it showed what he believes in.
Plans to go shopping?
Big plans?
To go shopping?
I'm going for my Diwali gifts right now.
Nice, very entertaining show. I think.
Yeah. And what did you think of the showstoppers?
I think they were all fabulous, and I think they were good. Yeah, they were very good.
Outstanding,
Yeah.
outstanding. And I thought the choreography was fantastic.
Yeah. Who was your favorite of the showstoppers?
All of them.
Fantastic. I thought it was a great show. Some great looking people and great clothes. What more can you ask for?
Well, I have to say one thing, especially since I'm talking to you, which is, people like you and Karan are extremely unfair on the rest of us. Because it seems like you multitask at a level, and then, look at you, you're chacho, filmmaker, actor extraordinaire. Karan Johar is also, branching out into all these things. It's very bad.
No, it's not bad. I think everyone's capable of many more things than what they end up doing. It's just effort, taking the time and pursuing it. And I'm really glad that he's done it because he's been talking about doing this for a really long time. So now that he's done it, I'm really happy, and it was a really good show.
Oh, I thought it was a great show. Karan's done a fantastic job. Varun's done a great job. I loved Gauri walking on the ramp. It was very cool. I loved her skirt. Everything was great. I think this entire HDIL Fashion Week has been amazing. Couture Week, has been amazing. All designers. I love Manisha's show also. And I love the First Being Human show. Those are the 3 shows I attended. And I think it's been a huge success.
Superb. I think that whatever Karan touches turns into gold, and this time it turns into bronze also. It's very good. It was very good, and the whole show was conceived very well, I think.
Plans to shop? For yourself?
Well, I'll ask him to send it to me.
Okay.
Tuba.com